Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in Playa, Fanabe. We're in a complex called Yucca Park. Yucca Park is literally 5 minutes walk away from the beach, and I mean literally from this apartment to putting your toes in the water will probably be 5 minutes. Really close to some nice bars, restaurants, some shops. There's a supermarket in the locality as well. 2 minutes walk away probably from here. There's an on-site bar on this complex by the swimming pool, and we've got a swimming pool there for adults, and I think there's a swimming pool there for children as well. So we're going to be looking at a 2-bedroom apartment, 2 beds, 1 bath, recently refurbished as well. Some great outside terrace space as well. So let's have a look around. So we're coming in from the main door here. So this is what we see when we come in. And then on the left hand side we've got a recently refurbished bathroom. This was done literally a few months ago. Really nice. Nice little bathroom. Totally redone. Nice shower. Let's just move that to have a look at that. So you've got a waterfall type shower there with a handheld unit there as well. And then a toilet and a really nice looking slim washing machine. Look at that, front loader slim washing machine. We get a lot of the slim washing machines here, but not normally front loaders. So there's the main door again. Opposite the bathroom we've got bedroom. You might call this bedroom 2, but it's got access to the terrace, or to a terrace out there. Now this terrace has sun in the morning, in the summer, so you've got direct access there from this bedroom. Massive bedroom. It's not just a double bedroom, it's a good sized double bedroom. Plenty of space either side. Of course you could move these 2 singles next to each other. And we've got air conditioning and a wardrobe here as well. So double wardrobe there, plenty of space, bit of extra space at the top there as well. So coming out of here, again bathroom there, down a couple of steps to the kitchen on the left hand side. Again, nice kitchen, modern, open concept. It's even got an oven there as well, so if you're staying for more than a couple of weeks and don't want to keep going out for dinner, you can cook yourself your own food there. Breakfast bar here, and a lovely sized lounge as well. Looks like it's been tiled right the way through as well. This doesn't look like it would be the original tiling. And then on this level here we've got another bedroom, so we've got 2 proper good sized bedrooms and access out onto the front terrace there. There's also similar sort of size wardrobe here with a cupboard at the top, and this one's got a safe in it down there. So good, plenty of room. There's a ceiling fan here as well, and there's air conditioning in this room. So this is the lounge. We've got ceiling fan and air conditioning in this room, and then we can come out here. So we've got double aspect here as well, so 2 sliding doors. Now these doors are new as well, aluminium doors, and then out onto this L-shaped terrace. Plenty of space as well. These will all move over, get rid of the sun if you don't like it. You've got this that will drop down to the floor or out onto the wall there. Got a window in it as well, so you can still have some light in. But again, plenty of room. This will have sun in the afternoon. We'll get some sun from here, that space there. So, a really nice apartment, nothing to do to it at all, on a really nice complex. In fact, I'll just show you, you can see where the pool is down there. So you're not actually sitting over the pool in case there's any noise, but you're not far from it if you want it. So that's our 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom ground floor apartment in Yucca Park on Playa, Fanabe. And as I say, it's a couple of minutes walk down to the beach, but you've got restaurants, bars, supermarket. You've got the pool bar on the pool there as well. A couple of pools. Really nice, friendly complex as well, this one, Yucca Park. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.